Hello, everyone. Welcome to a brand new episode of English for All. I am John, and I am so happy to spend this time with you today.
Hi, John, and hi to all our friends listening around the world. I'm Roxy. Today is a very special day because we are talking about one of my favorite things, food.
Roxy loves food, it's true. But specifically, we are learning how to survive and enjoy a meal at a restaurant.
Exactly. Many students tell me, Roxy, I am nervous when the waiter comes to my table. Does that happen to you? Don't worry. By the end of this podcast, you will feel ready.
We are going to go slowly. We will repeat everything. If you are driving or cooking or walking, you can just listen and repeat with us.
And before we dive into the menu, please take 1 second to click that subscribe button and the like bell. It helps our small community grow, and we love seeing your names in the comments.
Okay, Roxy, I'm putting on my jacket. We are going to an imaginary restaurant. Are you ready?
I'm ready and I'm hungry. Let's go.
Okay, first step, you walk through the door. Usually, there is a sign that says, "Please wait to be seated."
Yes, and then a friendly person, the host or the waiter, comes to you. They will ask, how many?
It's a short question, right? How many? They want to know the number of people. Roxy, how do we answer politely?
We use a very important word, please. You can say, a table for 2, please. Or, if you are alone, a table for 1, please.
Let's practice that. Listen and repeat after Roxy.
A table for 2, please.
Great job. One more time. A table for 4, please.
Perfect. You are already speaking English. Now, the waiter takes you to the table. They might say, follow me.
And once you sit down, you need to see the food options. You need the menu.
If they forget the menu, you can ask. Say, can we have the menu, please?
I love the phrase, "can I have?" or "can we have?" It is like a magic key in English. It opens every door.
It's true. You can use it for everything. Listen, can I have some water? Can I have a napkin? Can I have a menu?
Let's try it together. Friends, repeat with me. Can I have a menu, please? You sound very professional.
Okay, John, we have the menu. Everything looks delicious. I see pasta, I see burgers, I see fish.
But wait! Before the food, the waiter often asks about drinks. They say, "Can I get you started with something to drink?"
This is where we use our second magic phrase. I'd like.
Yes, "I'd like" is much better than "I want." It is soft and kind. Roxy, what would you like to drink?
I'd like a glass of orange juice, please. What about you, John?
I'd like a Coke with ice, please.
Let's break it down for our listeners. I'd is I would. Repeat after me. I'd like.
Excellent. Now, let's add a drink. Repeat. I'd like a water, please.
You guys are doing amazing. I can feel your confidence growing.
Now for the big moment. The waiter comes back with a notebook. He asks, "Are you ready to order?"
If you are not ready, you can say, 2 more minutes, please. That is a very useful sentence.
But if you are ready, you have two choices. You can say, "I'd like the burger," or you can say, "I'll have the burger."
I'll have is very common. It is short for I will have. Repeat after me. I'll have the pasta.
Let's try another one. I'll have the chicken salad.
John, let's do a real-life example. I will be the waiter this time. You are the hungry customer. Hello, are you ready to order?
Yes, I think so. I'll have the steak with fries, please.
How would you like your steak cooked? Rare, medium, or well done?
Oh, stop. That is a hard question for beginners. Let's explain. Rare, very red inside, medium, a little pink, well done, brown, and cooked a lot.
I like mine medium. So I say, medium, please.
Great. And if the waiter asks, anything else? And you are finished, you just say, no, that's all. Thank you.
Sometimes at a restaurant, you need something extra. Maybe you drop your fork on the floor? Oh no!
Don't panic. Use our magic phrase again. Can I have a new fork, please?
Or maybe you are cold. Can you close the window, please?
Let's practice some common extra items. Listen and repeat. Extra napkins, please. The salt and pepper, please. Some more bread, please.
You are doing a great job. Remember, it is okay if your English is not perfect. The most important thing is to be clear and polite.
Okay, we are full. The food was great. Now we want to go home. We need to pay.
In English, we use two words. The bill, common in the UK, or the check, common in the USA. Both are perfect.
How do we ask? Simply say, "Can I have the bill, please?"
Let's try it. Repeat after me. The check, please.
And here is a tip. If you want to pay with a card, you can ask, "Do you take cards?" Or, "Can I pay by card?"
Sometimes, if you are with a friend, the waiter asks, together or separate?
This is a big word. Separate. S-E-P-A-R-A-T-E. It means everyone pays for their own food.
If I am with John, I always say, together, because John is very generous.
Only on your birthday, Roxy. Only on your birthday.
Wow, we covered a lot today. Let's do a quick recap of the 5 most important things we learned.
1. To get a table. A table for 2, please. 2. To see the food. Can I have the menu, please? 3. To order. I'd like, or I'll have. 4. To get help. Can I have more water, please? 5. To pay. The check, please.
If you can remember these 5 phrases, you can eat at any restaurant in the world. Good job today, really. Learning a language is like eating a big meal. You do it one bite at a time.
That's a great way to say it, Roxy. One bite at a time.
Before we leave you, we want to hear from you. We have a question for our community.
Our question today is, what is your favorite food to order at a restaurant?
Do you love Italian pizza, Japanese sushi, or maybe a simple burger and fries? Write it in the comments below.
I love reading your comments. It makes me feel like we are all hanging out together in a real cafe.
Thank you so much for listening. You are doing amazing. Keep practicing every day, even for 5 minutes.
We will see you in the next episode of English for All.
Bye-bye, everyone. See you soon.
Goodbye.